Let's just go 400.
Yeah? Seriously? You're gonna go 400 feet up? Why not?
Oh wow, look, you can see the skyline.
No way.
Right on top of me.
Alright, George is right there. The drone is all the way up there. And we're in legal, you know, radius and everything. This is 400 feet.
Oh look, it's not too bad. There's the stream.
Oh, you can see stuff.
There's a car coming. There's park.
That's cool. That is so
There's the
fast.
hypotenuse of the...
Bro, are you speaking math again?
Thoughts on flying a drone?
But very scary. It's nerve-wracking. How are you feeling, George?
Why is it nerve-wracking?
Because I'm going so fast.
Probably top 10 purchases.
Like I was driving some kind of, you know, go-kart.
It's much better purchase than BB-8.
And then I'm switching to like an
Lamborghini
or something like that. Yeah.
I mean, what else can you purchase? Best things in life are free. The things you gotta pay for. You know, the best things in life.
Wow, he gets so wise when he's drone flying.
That was pretty good. That was pretty good.
It was, yeah. What are you naming it?
What am I naming it? What should I name it? Should it be a girl or a boy?
What's your car?
I don't have a name for my car. I'm not big on naming things that aren't alive.
Do you name your fish?
Of course.
Really?
Some of them.
Do you name your coral?
No. There's like millions in each little piece I got.
That's true.
Thousands at least.
That's true.
Can't name them all. Now we're good. Now I'm connected. Let's just go 400.
Yeah? Seriously?
Yeah, why not?
Okay. This is how George makes decisions. This is how he crashed his drone into the lake. Did you want to see what the footage over the lake looked like too? See ya, droney. Bye.